bad for you. The reason why, corn and soy and a lot of the fruits and vegetables and other foods is genetically modified. So as you get organic, stay away from it. And it's heavily, it's heavily sprayed with like pesticides, more so than some of the other foods. So unless you're getting like organic, try to stay away from corn and soy. Meat with nitrates, like sandwich meat. Nitrates, very bad because it's very toxic. Most people know that. Cancers. Carbonated drinks, obviously that's obvious, especially, yeah, okay, prime example. But especially when you eat, because your stomach is acidic, okay? And so when you have the carbonated drinks, it makes it difficult to digest, so you're not really getting all the nutrients. So I noticed, I said my stomach is acidic, but I'm saying drink alkaline water. So when I drink alkaline water, I try not to eat food as well. So when you're drinking like a soda, or when you're drinking alkaline water, try not to eat food with it, because it makes it difficult to digest, and it makes it difficult to absorb the nutrients. Okay, so especially carbonated drinks while you're eating. Well done red meat. Well done red meat. And me and my culture, you know, we don't really have our food well done. But after I learned this, I started having like rare, medium rare. Because when you have well done red meat, when you're cooking it, it brings off a chemical called a heterocyclic amine, which brings off, which is cancerous. So the more you cook it, the more that chemical comes off. All right. So that's why I kind of change. When I do have the meat, then I have the rare, medium rare. Fried foods, obvious. Stay away from fried foods, cancerous. The skin on the baked potato, same principle as the red meat. Okay, you can boil potato, but the skin, you can have the potato, but not the skin, because it brings off a chemical called a heterocyclic amine, which brings off a chemical acrylamide. Non-organic produce would be obvious, and obviously sugar and concentrated fruits. Okay, so that list, if you're taking these supplements, and you're doing all the programs, alkaline water or whatever, but you're not avoiding those foods, then you're going against the grain. You're going against the grain. It's like running the business. I mean, you can make all this money, but if you got all these expenses, all these bills, you're not going to make profits. So all that good stuff you're going to make doesn't make any sense. And me, when I had my skin condition, I was on the supplements, but I wasn't taking it consistently. I wasn't taking it up for my body weight, and I wasn't following this list to a T. So